سلام، خوش اومدی به ویدیو آموزش این هفته. امروز میخوام تجربه طراحی لوگویی که روی کاغذ داشتم و بعد وارد فتوشاپ کردم رو باهات به اشتراک بذارم. امیدوارم برات آموزنده باشه. توجه کردید خیلی از طراحا توی سبک‌های مختلف بیان قبل از شروع طراحیشون اون رو روی کاغذ پیاده میکنن تا ایرادها و بخشایی که باید بیشتر روشون کار کنن رو پیدا کنن. فرق نمیکنه چه سبکی میتونه باشه. میتونه طراحی لوگو باشه، ایده های فوتومونتاژ باشه و حتی طراحی سایت و غیره. من همین کار رو برای طراحی یکی از لوگوهایی که سفارش گرفتم انجام دادم و به نظرم خروجی خوبی هم ازش گرفتم.
Do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway. Love your body, so I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause your frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion, beyond you like lotion. I'm honest and broken, I flow like the ocean. I feel you were chosen to fix me, I'm broken. My heart that you stolen, hey. Stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave, chemistry feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next.
و از اینکه ایدم رو روی کاغذ پیاده کردم ازش عکس میگیرم و وارد فتوشاپ میکنم. معمولا بعد از اینکه ایده رو کاغذ پیاده شده رو توی فتوشاپ، ایلاستریتور یا هر برنامه مجازی دیگه ای وارد میکنیم، در نهایت خروجی تمیزتر و بهتری نسبت به طرح روی کاغذ ازش میگیریم. پس نگران طراحیتون روی کاغذ نباشید.
Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Deep down, I know I'm a fighter. Deep down, I know my desires. Everybody thinks that I'm just a liar. They don't know what I got inside ya. I'm not one to fight fire with fire. I'm the type who never lets me get tired. Mess with me and they never will find ya.
برای طراحی لوگو به این روش کافیه که الگویی که دارید رو اپاسیتیش رو کمی کمتر کنید و بعد با ساختن لایه جدید با ابزار پنتول از روش طراحی کنید. انتخاب رنگ هم که کاملا سلیقه‌ای هست و میتونید رنگ‌های کمبو سرد یا گرم رو از گوگل دانلود کنید.
Look forward, no, never look back. I just spit the truth, better listen to my facts. Get me up in the booth and I put them on a blast. When I spit the truth, they all listen to the facts. Got nothing to lose, so I put them in the bed. That's what I do, hard work always lasts. And the pain's not an act, no, it hurts real bad. But you have to attack what you want to attract, or you're gonna look back and regret what you lack. Everybody knows that's a fact. Yeah, I just want my words to impact. Yeah, I just want my words to all last. Yeah, not sorry if I put you on blast. They know just what they see on the outside. They don't know just what I'm like on the inside. If you knew what I could do, you'd watch your backside. If you knew what I could do, you'd stay in at night. I'm the type of dude you don't wanna fuck with. I'm the type of dude enough is enough, bitch. I'm the type of dude who never gets complacent. I'm the type of dude who knows he's gonna make it, I'll make it. Can't escape from my thoughts like a black hole. Can't escape from these thoughts and these assholes. Too many people feeling entitled. Too many people staying idle. Man, I work every day for the title, and I'ma get it, that thought is final. The way I think you could say is primal. Kill or be killed, I'm your rival. I don't lose, no. I'ma be the one they choose, though. You can be the one they lose, ho. Way too busy hitting snooze, bro. I'ma be the one to rise up in it. Never gonna fall, I fight till I get it. Always staying tall, got pride, I'm grinning. I don't really think I'll ever find my limit. And I know that they all wanna hate me, but they see me on the climb, so they wait, see. If I make it, then they just might say, B, you been doing so good, brother, can't leave. I don't wanna hear your words on the fake shit. Now I want my day, wanted to be patient. All the same people, never been complacent. We've been working hard, man, we on the same shit. I'm not just a sinner, I ain't you for dinner. I'm not a beginner, I'll paint you a picture. I got a guitar and they play that shit every day. No, I was not that great, figured out how to play. Learned how to change to be, learned how to rap and sing. Passion is everything, loved it throughout my teens. 10,000 hours so I could be fucking king. Hand me the crown or just get out my fucking ring.
They know just what they see on the outside. They don't know just what I'm like on the inside. If you knew what I could do, you'd watch your backside. If you knew what I could do, you'd stay in at night. I'm the type of dude you don't wanna fuck with. I'm the type of dude enough is enough, bitch. I'm the type of dude who never gets complacent. I'm the type of dude who knows he's gonna make it, I'll make it.
خب این بود اون تجربه‌ای که تصمیم گرفتم با شما در اشتراک بذارم. امیدوارم که براتون آموزنده بوده باشه. لطفا کانال من رو سابسکرایب کنید و حتما این ویدیو رو لایک کنید. مرسی از حمایت تک تک شما. تا ویدیو بعدی و یک آموزش دیگه، بدرود.